front of the water. Again, one of my favorite places, of course. Hey, Brenda Byers-Im, business and success coach here. It's a little windy out here, but a beautiful day down in San Francisco. And today I have a question for you. And I've got a tool, so stick with me till the end. I think this is going to give you tremendous peace and joy in your life. So here's the question. It's a riddle, okay? What does everybody have? Everybody has it. And they freely give it. Freely, all the time. Can you guess what that is? I'll tell you. It's an opinion. It's a point of view. I mean, think about it. Everybody's got a point of view and opinion on everything, and they so gladly share it with you. So here's the second question that's going to have the most impact. What do you do when people share their opinion or their point of view, or maybe they try to put it on you or persuade you or influence you with it? What do? You see, so often I get calls from clients and tears and frustration and anger, and I say, why? And they tell me what someone said to them and the point of view that they had and how hurt they were and how it's messing up their life and how down they've been. Here's a tool. When you get a point of view, just think about this. Just think to yourself. You don't even have to speak it, but just think. What an interesting point of view. That's it, just that one thought. What an interesting point of view. See, when we just become fascinated, when we don't feel a need to take it personal, we don't feel a need to change someone, we don't feel a need to persuade or argue or defend or all of these energy draining things, emotionally taxing things, we get set free to give our energy and our love and our life and our time to the things that give us bliss. Like dancing, which I'm just about to go do.